Chef Anthony in the kitchen here, guys, making some amazing asparagus. We're roasting this in the oven, in our Wolf oven. So we have it preheated, convection roast, 375 degrees. And once again, the roast is gonna use all three cooking elements: the broiler element, the bake element, and the convection fan. For our asparagus, that means we get the heat from the bottom, heat from the top to crisp it up, the convection pan to fly all the way through so it's crispy but tender and perfect inside. So let's jump right in. I have my cookie sheet right here. I have a little bit of parchment down. We're gonna put a nice bunch of asparagus in, and it's a dry heat cooking method, so we need a little bit of fat. So we're gonna add some of the oil here. Nice little tablespoon oil, a little bit of fresh black, little cracked pepper, probably 1/4 teaspoon. Nice and easy. Whole teaspoon is a little sea salt, just to bring out a little bit of that caramelization and the moisture of that asparagus. To this, we're just gonna add a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning, give it a little peppery, fiery finish. That's probably a 1/4 tablespoon. Look how nice these guys look, all tossed together. And the thing is, we wanna open them up a little bit. We don't want them sitting on top of each other because a little steam. Give them enough room, okay? This, ready to go to the oven, so let's do it. Right out of the oven from the roasted section, I can tell already from roast that it really dried the top out a little bit, crisped it up, but it's still, look at that texture. That's beautiful. That's what we want to see on a great roasted vegetable. A little bit more caramelization. Let's try it out. I love this texture too, because with the Montreal, it gives it a little bit of pepper. Here, gives it a little bit of crunch on the outside, but tender on the inside. This is a winner.